Today I'm going to share my favourite homemade surface spray bathroom cleaner. I make it from 3 ingredients: white vinegar, filtered water and some essential oil. So it's quite simple. All you do is put equal parts of white vinegar and water into a bottle. I've got this recycled spray bottle from another brand. You can measure it on the scales or you can use cup measurement. Just a little tip, don't use this on any porous surfaces like timber, wood or like stone or marble, but it's perfect for the bathroom. So first step, let's measure out the vinegar. Now my cup of filtered water, I'll pour it in here first just so it's quicker. If you don't have filtered water at home, what you could do is use boiled kettle water and wait till the kettle water cools down. And I've got some of my favourite oils here. I've got orange oil, so I'll put some drops of that in. About 6 to 10, sometimes I lose count. I've got bergamot, and I'll do a tiny little bit of eucalyptus because eucalyptus smells good in the bathroom. This doesn't have a drop, so I'll just do a tiny bit. That's my budget-friendly, all-purpose cleaner, bathroom cleaner, surface cleaner. Hope you've liked my hack today and handy hint, and I'll see you next time. Bye.